Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. This picture is of Alex and Mateo selfie doing whatever it is they were doing one day. So my background is Vicky Bouton's color kaleidoscope. My paper layers are just random layers. That black and white layer pattern is from my stash, but everything else is all scraps from May kit. And then that Polaroid, of course, came loose in the kit, in the June kit. I don't know. Like I said, I assume it's Hip Kit Club. I could probably go back and look on the product list, and it was probably on there. So I'm just trying to use up these scraps already from May. And so I do eventually. Alright, so that Say Cheese card is cut from I don't remember what the paper is, but at any rate. So the circle sticker in that little frame is Heidi Swap sticker that came in the kit. I do use some chipboard stickers, which are American Crafts Dreamer stickers, and the puffy stickers, which I did not write that down, but that's the stickers that came in the kit that say Girls Rule and that sort of stuff. It's like Girls Rule, blah blah blah, and I don't know what happened to them. I don't know. So anyway, don't matter. So I do use a label sticker, which is Crepe Paper's All Heart from May. And of course the chipboard stickers, which are American Crafts Dreamer stickers. Epoxy sticker, which is Pink Fresh Studio, the mix. My title is going to be #greatest, which are American Crafts Sparkle stickers. And once I get that done, that's going to pretty much complete the kit, or complete my layout, I mean. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.